It's not too bitter, but it has some kind of different flavor. I don't know how to, how to describe the taste, but it's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. Wow. It has, different levels of flavor. I think it's a smell of flower, a flavor of flower, but I don't know what kind of flower. But it's Americano, right? Wow, amazing, impressed me. Yo guys, today I'm gonna show you a famous coffee shop in Timecode. It takes maybe like 10 minutes of walking. So here in this area we call it Timecode West. It's the downtown of Guangzhou. It was hot the day before yesterday, but it turns cold these 2 days, so you can see we call this building Spring Square, and of course it's a shopping mall, which is not too many people, shopping here, because there are other bigger malls in Guangzhou, but not in this area. So before I get into the square, I gotta over my, my health code on my phone. Wait for a moment, I'm opening up. Damn, you can see this code, right? And also I gotta wear my mask. This guy will check my temperature. And now I gotta go upstairs and across the bridge. It's so romantic. I'm walking in rain. authentic bonus. I hate raining, you know. I love sunshine. I love sunny day. Oh shit. Vietnam food. Vietnamese food. And here you can see the King Coffee. It's a very famous online brand for coffee in China. So you can see this building. This building called IFC, International Financial Center. It's the third tallest building in Guangzhou. Almost. Here it is. 免浓咖啡. It's a Chinese brand, I think. But today is not a good day for drinking outside. I'll follow ice latte. 冰的。不用单子，没有在这里做。好。这里的 WiFi 是1到9。And you can see my order has come out. It's a cup of Americano. The size is big, but compared to American style, it's smaller. Why I choose to order Americano, iced Americano, that's because I didn't get a good sleep last night, and I increased some weight in these days, so I gotta, order a healthy food. Maybe it's healthier than, than cappuccino, latte, or any other kind of drink, right? So let's try it. Wow. It's not too bitter, but it has some kind of different flavor. I don't know how to describe the taste, but it's pretty good, right? It's pretty good. Wow. It has different levels of flavors. It's very hard to describe the. I think it's a it's a smell of flower, a flavor of flower, but I don't know what kind of flower. But it is a Americano, right? Wow, amazing, impressed me. I gotta start work and see you guys. This is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will show you more, more views, more, more fun things in China and in Dubai or in any other countries. Yeah, if you wanna know more about my country, my city, my my experience of doing e-commerce business like Amazon, eBay, Shopping, right? So see you guys. Bye.